Hey, lovely. Saafiyah here. Just wanted to check in with y'all and give you all a glimpse of my $18 a night affordable Airbnb here in San Jose. I am in the city proper of San Jose versus being about 10 minutes out at the other spot. And this is more of a traditional Costa Rican apartment. All right, studio apartment for 1 to 2 people. I would say one person, but 1 to 2 people. Okay, so these are the more traditional layouts of the typical Costa Rican apartment. Okay, and it is $18 a night for me to stay here. Not a bad find. It is not the most upscale of accommodations, but I like it. You know, I'm quirky like that. So let me give you guys a peek. All right. So this is the little patio area where you can sit and take tea or coffee in the mornings. I think it's just simply adorable. Okay, that's how you get down to the studio. And a little kitchen. Okay, this is the kitchen. The refrigerator. Guess I'll have to back up so you can get a better look at it. The refrigerator. Tabletop office area. The little sitting area. I'll just be here for one night, so it works out perfect. And I wanted to kind of, you know, this is all for research purposes. I wanted to see what $18 a night can get you in San Jose, and this is it. All right. A little bed area. The room is very tight, so it's hard to get a entire view, but here it is. Got a wall blocking. Okay. My own little bathroom. Clean. You know, definitely clean. Shower is clean. Very cute. All right, again, this is a traditional style, typical studio apartment that you would find for the average person, the average income person if they lived here as a local in Costa Rica. All right, and for me, $18. Not bad for one night. Again, kind of doing this for research purposes. From here, I will be heading to the Caribbean side of Costa Rica with a different set of accommodations. But yeah, this is what about $18 a night can get you for your own place, your own Airbnb, not shared with anyone else here in San Jose. Okay, I kind of like it. I think it's cute, especially the little outside area. It's quiet. And then they have one on the other side. So again, in the comments, please let me know what y'all think. Would this be something that y'all can do for $18 a night, or you'd have to up your budget. All right, let me know in the comments what y'all think. Later.